You know that moment the check hits the table and suddenly everybody's awkwardly dodging eye contact? Or worse, you're trying to scribble down sensitive bank routing numbers on a napkin just to pay someone back? Yeah, it's 2024 and we are totally done with that. Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to eliminate that headache and completely master Zelle with Chase.
So you need to move money instantly and securely, right? Waiting 3 days for a standard bank transfer? That just doesn't cut it anymore. Today, we're going to turn your Chase mobile app into the ultimate effortless payment tool. We'll solve all that friction of traditional payments and show you how transferring money can be literally as simple as sending a text message.
Now, if you're completely new to mobile banking, let's break this down really quick. Zelle is basically a fast, absolutely free way to send or receive money with people you trust. And the biggest advantage? It lives directly inside your current banking app. You don't need to download some separate third-party digital wallet or park your cash in a weird intermediary account. It moves your money directly between U.S. bank accounts.
Okay, here's our roadmap for this explainer. First, meet Zelle with Chase. Second, checking account eligibility. Third, step-by-step enrollment. Fourth, sending and receiving funds. Fifth, understanding transfer limits. And finally, number 6, safety and final disclaimers.
All right, part 1, meet Zelle with Chase. 2,300. That is the massive number of banking and credit union apps in the U.S. that currently offer Zelle. Why does this matter to you? Well, it means you can easily pay your friends, your family, or your babysitter, even if they don't bank with Chase. As long as they have an eligible U.S. bank account, you are seamlessly connected to almost anyone. Moving on to part 2, checking account eligibility. Now, before we start tapping buttons on our phones, we need to make sure you actually have the right tools. You absolutely must use an eligible Chase consumer or business checking account for this. Savings accounts, they won't work, and credit cards are completely incompatible with Zelle. See, credit cards let you transfer money based on available credit, but Zelle requires you to send funds you actually already have sitting in your deposit account. We're talking real available cash here, not borrowed credit.
Okay, part 3, step-by-step enrollment.
So here's how you actually get set up, and it's 4 incredibly easy steps right on your smartphone. Step 1, open your Chase mobile app and tap Pay and Transfer. Step 2, tap Send Money with Zelle and hit Get Started. Now, Step 3 is crucial. You'll select your eligible checking account and enter either your primary email address or a U.S. mobile number. This basically acts as your unique Zelle ID. Finally, Step 4, Chase will send you a one-time confirmation code. Just punch that code in and boom, you are fully activated. It really is that simple. No new apps to download and no messy new passwords to forget.
Let's look at part 4, sending and receiving funds. Once you're in, you unlock some seriously fantastic tools designed to make sending money completely frictionless. You can securely sync your phone contacts right inside the app, so you skip the whole hassle of typing out long phone numbers manually. There's also this incredibly handy split the bill feature that basically does the math for you. Honestly, that one might save a few friendships. You can even scan or share a Zelle QR code to pay someone instantly in person, which is perfect for farmers markets or splitting a cab fare. And the best part of the whole shebang? Chase charges absolutely zero additional fees for these transactions. Now, timing is everything with your money, right? When you send funds to someone whose email or U.S. mobile number is already enrolled with Zelle, those funds are typically available in minutes. It's literally moving money at the speed of life. Just a quick heads up though, if their bank doesn't support real-time payments, or if they just haven't enrolled in Zelle yet, select transactions might take 1 to 3 business days to clear. All right, part 5, understanding transfer limits. So Chase actually dynamically sets your daily sending limits, and they do this to protect your account. For a standard consumer checking account, your daily cap is determined right at the moment of the transaction. It can be anywhere from a $500 limit all the way up to a $10,000 maximum. For Chase Private Client or business banking, those limits jump from $1,000 up to $15,000 a day. Your specific limit is based on a few security factors, including your account history and who you're actually sending the funds to. But here's some highly reassuring news for you. While there are strict dynamic limits placed on what you can send out, there are absolutely no limits on the amount of money you can receive through Zelle at Chase. None at all. The only limitation on incoming money will be whatever sending cap your friend's financial institution puts on them. And finally, part 6, safety and final disclaimers. Okay, we really need to talk about this because it's the absolute most vital rule for using this network. Zelle does not offer purchase protection. If you buy a concert ticket from a stranger on social media or purchase goods from an online marketplace and it turns out to be a scam, neither Chase nor Zelle guarantees your money back. You really have to treat Zelle exactly like handing someone physical cash. Once it leaves your hand, it is gone for good. To protect yourself, just build a few basic habits. Always verify the contact name that pops up before hitting send. Beware of strangers requesting Zelle. And remember, payments generally cannot be reversed or canceled once they start processing. Now, while some qualifying imposter scams might be eligible for reimbursement, your absolute best defense is just caution. Only transact with people you actually know and trust. Armed with all this knowledge, you can finally skip the ATM, leave the checkbook at home, and handle your finances with incredible speed and security. You know the setup, you understand the limits, and you've got the safety rules down. So the only question left is, what are you going to do with all the time you save now that you're moving money at the speed of life? Start exploring these features in your Chase app today and take full, confident control of your digital banking.